I'm going to show you an example of cloud storage. This particular cloud storage is Google Drive. There are many different cloud storage providers, including Microsoft OneDrive and Dropbox, as well as many others. But today I'm going to focus on Google Drive, as it's a relatively simple example. So this is the main screen of Google Drive. You'll see there's already one folder in place, which is the Helen Smith archive. If we click into that, we can start seeing the catalog structure of the digital images in the collection. So we have photographs, correspondence, and all history. So let's say we wanted to add another folder, which would be local history notes. So if we go to New in the top left corner, and then click on Folder, and if we give it the reference number and the title, and then we can create that new folder, and you'll see it appears here. You'll see it's organized by the date last modified. So if we wanted to upload a file to one of these folders, that's simple as well. So you can go from your computer file explorer, click on a file, click and drag, and then you can add it to the drive. It will take a short amount of time to upload, and you see it's appeared here in the drive. So if you wanted to move this to its correct folder, so you'll see it's HS2, so it's a piece of correspondence. You can click and drag it to the correct folder. If you then click on that folder, you'll see it's been moved there. You can add in all kinds of files, such as digital images, PDFs, video files, and audio files. As you see, if we click on the folder now, it appears in the browser window there. You can also create documents using cloud storage. So if you wanted to create a version of your catalog spreadsheet that you wanted to make available to everyone in your group, if you click on New and then Google Sheets, if you call this catalog spreadsheet, and it's now saved to your drive. If we go back to the drive, you'll see it's appeared loose in the filing system. So if you wanted to file this within your documents, if you go back to the drive and say you can create a new folder called catalog, which you then create. If you go back to the spreadsheet, you can then click the Move button here, select the catalog folder and click Move. So this has now been moved to the catalog folder, and you'll see it's appeared in there. As you might consider your catalog one of your most important documents in the archive, you can mark it as that. So you'll see there's a star symbol. If you click on that, that will then mark it as one of your most important documents. And if you go back to the main drive, click on Starred, and you'll see that it's been listed in there. So all of your important documents, such as your catalog and your collecting policy and so on, can be starred so you can find them quickly and easily. So say you wanted to work on a document in your cloud storage. It's safer to download an individual document, work on it yourself, and then upload it back onto the drive as a new version. This prevents multiple people working on the same document at the same time. So when you're in the spreadsheet, if you click on File and then Download, and you'll see you have a variety of options in which to download it. So if you want to use it as a spreadsheet, the most obvious program would be Microsoft Excel. So if you click on Excel, and now you can see the spreadsheet has been downloaded into Microsoft Excel. So you can add new text to it. And then you can save it. You can then re-upload the Excel spreadsheet into Google Drive. And it's a good idea to give it a new version number so you know that it has been worked on. You can see it's been uploaded as an Excel format spreadsheet. If you wanted to return it back to Google Sheets, you can then save as Google Sheets. And it'll be in the same format as the original document that you had. So you may wish to share the information in your drive with someone else in your group. So the way to do that is to click on the share button here, which looks like a person and a plus symbol. If you click on that, here if you add in the email address of the person in your group and click done, and that folder would be shared with them. You can set the permissions to edit so the other person can work on the same things you are, or just as to comment so they can comment on your work, or just to read only so they can't change your work but they can read it. You can use the search function in your drive to find a particular file quickly. You can search by the type of file you have, so for example PDF, document, spreadsheet, and so on. Or you can type in a particular word associated with a document in the folder. So here you have come straight to the catalog spreadsheet again. And finally, with Google Drive, you get 15 gigabytes of storage space available for free. This may not be enough if you have many large photos or videos in your collection. You can upgrade to more storage for a subscription. So if you click on storage, and it gives you the options of different membership plans. Okay, so those are the basic functions of cloud storage. Why not try and see how you get on?